Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to AI Line Studio tutorial 30. And today's topic is how to add a breathing node animation in an Azure architecture diagram in AI Line Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. There you need to select your cloud architecture feature. There you would be redirected to the AI builder and you need to select a cloud provider. As we are discussing about Azure architecture diagram, so you would select the cloud provider as Azure. Here I have already generated the diagram, and this diagram, by putting in input over here, which is hub and spoke diagram for Azure, I'll click on generate over here, and in just 15 to 20 seconds this diagram would be visible on the canvas. This way you can also save your time. Now we are talking about one of the animations, which is breathing node animations. This is about this only, that you would get the dashed arrows and dot would be traveling around the edges. If you want to upgrade the color, you can upgrade it from here. If you want to change the size, you can change the size over here. If you want to update the color, you can do it again over here. For the glow intensity, you can increase this bar, decrease this bar. For border width, you can do this. For border width, you can, for decreasing, you can go over here. You can increase and decrease the animation speed from this bar, and then you can increase or decrease the breathing intensity using this. So this is it for breathing nodes animation. This helps you to draw attention to important components in your architecture, and adding a breathing node animation in AI Line Studio helps you to highlight key elements and make your diagram more visually engaging. So this is it for today's tutorial. See you.